In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a document in Google Docs. Changing a document's name is a simple but crucial task that can help you keep your files organized and easily accessible. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. To do this, simply go to your search bar, type in Google Docs, and press Enter. You should now see a result linking directly to Google Docs. Click on this link and you'll be directed to the Google Docs Start page. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll find yourself presented with several options. Look for the blank document thumbnail, which is typically at the top of your document list or in the Start a New Document section. Go ahead and click on this option to open a new, untitled document. If you're already working on a document that needs renaming, simply open that document instead. Now that you have your document open, let's proceed with renaming it. If you've opened a blank document, you'll notice a text box labeled Untitled Document at the top left corner of the page. This is where you'll set your document's name. Click on this text box to activate it for editing. You'll see that the old name, Untitled Document, is highlighted and ready to be replaced with the new name you choose. Type in the name you want to give to your document. Remember, it's always a good idea to use descriptive titles that help you quickly identify the content or purpose of the document. After typing in the new name, simply click anywhere outside the text box or press Enter on your keyboard to save the new title.